let's unbox the Colgate Hum electric toothbrush. It's a good size. Cute travel case. Okay, the Hum toothbrush by Colgate. It has a 2-minute timer. It has a replaceable head. The vibrations, there's 3 settings. Normal is blue. White is deep clean. Pink is sensitive. You just double click it. Takes a minute to get used to. The bristles, there are different levels of the bristles. These are softer. The shorter ones are more firm. Bristles on the sides for gum stimulation. There's also texture for tongue cleaning. Another cool thing about this toothbrush is it has an app where you can track where you're missing, so it'll show you areas after you've brushed where you've missed. Okay, that's it for the unboxing. Go to part 2 for the try. Sweet Jesus.